Society registration in India. A society is the simplest form of a non-governmental organization in India and can be registered to operate on state level or national level for educational, charitable, religious, welfare or for promotion of art, music, culture, etc. In India, the registration of a society is done under the Societies Registration Act 1860. How to start a NGO as society in India? Well, to form into a society, at least 7 persons with common intent must come together and adopt a memorandum of association and bylaws for the functioning of the NGO. In India, most of the state government have adopted the Societies Registration Act 1860 as a tool to improve registration of societies and to ensure better maintenance of the societies as per law. Must know on society formation. State versus national level. There must be 7 persons as desirous person governing body to form a society. However, for national level they must represent 7 different states. No distribution of profit. The society dog can engage in profit generation activities. However, the profit of such a NGO cannot be shared to its member. No blood relative. Among the founder, member, governing body, there must not be any blood relative. The president of the society has to give an affidavit to this effect that there is no blood relative in the government body. MOA and rule of society. The MOA of the society prescribes the object for which it is created and the rules are the guidelines for internal working of the society. Stepwise procedure to start a society. Selection of name. First thing is to select a unique name of your society. The name should not be violate or infringes someone else's name or trademark. The president of the proposed society shall be filing an affidavit that the name is not same or similar to any other NGO. Drafting of MOA and bylaws. The MOA of the society describes the main object for which it is being formed, whereas the rule is for internal affairs of the society such as quorum of meeting, powers of responsibilities of the official positions of president, secretary or treasurer. Registration of society. The registrar of societies are then approached with an application along with the signed MOA, by rules, affidavits and KYC documents of desirous person and officials. After verification of documents, the certificate of registration of society is issued. PAN, TAN and bank account. After registration of the society, the next step is to apply for allotment of PAN number and TAN and thereafter opening of bank account. For collection of membership fees, subscription charges or donation as the case may be. Common registration or license for societies. Shop and establishment registration. Every shop and the commercial establishment is required to obtain establishment registration with the Labour Department within 30 days of starting their business. It is mandatory for all states in India. Goods and service tax. GST registration is mandatory for every business engaged in providing service or supply of goods where the turnover exceeds Rs 20 lakh or does even a single transaction in an interstate trade. Professional tax registration. Majority of the state government have passed specific legislation to impose a tax on profession, employment of calling of any nature. However, it cannot be more than Rs 2500 per annum. Import-Export Code. Import-Export Code is a 10-digit PAN-based registration with the DGFT. IEC is a mandatory prerequisite to starting a business of import or export in India. Only one IEC code is issued against a PAN. Documents required for society registration. Signed MOA and bylaws, affidavits from President, proof of registered address, NOC from the owner of premises, self-attested documents of the desirous person, 2 photographs, copy of PAN card, valid identity proof, latest address proof. Good documentation is the key for smooth registration of society. It must be clear and in case of utility bills should not be older than 2 months. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Setindiabiz. Setindiabiz. Business begins here.